Welcome to Evision. Awarded by WIPRO and IBM. Over 3,700 plus freshers got job in 200 plus IT MNC's company. With 100% job guarantee.
Hi, my name is Akhil. I am basically from Kerala, Kochi location. I did my diploma in computer hardware maintenance from Government Polytechnic College, Kaduthuruthy, Kottayam. In Evision, I joined job internship on March 2022. Now I got a placement in WIPRO with a salary package of at 3 lakh per annum. I think that Evision Technoserve is a good platform to grow myself. It was very positive experience that gave me more skill for my life. The trainees are very friendly and helpful and very motivate for us. The course consists of different types of software and hardware troubleshooting, Windows administration, CCNA basic, cybersecurity, etc. Once again, thank you all Evision staff members for support and motivate for us.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.